Good morning, little scholars. It is Tuesday, and right in front of me, I've got the structure of our Earth. I'm sure you guys have been wondering why are the continents far apart from each other. Many years ago, when the Earth moved far apart from each other, most of our continent is made up of water. Okay, so today we are going to look at the formation of rocks. First, we are going to, it takes place in the continent, right? Then we are going to take a look at our structure of the Earth on the inside. Okay, I'm going to show you from my big screen here. So we have, if you can take a look at that, we have our inner core, then we have our outer core, we've got our mantle, then we've got our crust. Okay, so now, because we're still discussing how the formation of the Earth took place, I'm pretty sure you guys also remember this. This is the structure of our volcano. Okay, remember the one that we built together. And where do they form? Where do volcanoes form? Anybody?
On rocky places.
Volcanoes form on rocky places such as tectonic plates. Okay, so right here we've got our magma. This is our magma chamber. Can you see? That is our magma chamber. And from our magma chamber, this is the liquid-like thing. What do we call it? Who still remembers this? Because this is our magma chamber, and what is this? Yes? The lithosphere, and that is what? The atmosphere, and that is our continental crust. Okay. So now, what happens is that through the magma chamber, a volcano makes, when the plates pull apart, what do we call it? What is the term that we use when plates pull apart, guys? Nope.
Diverging.
When they pull apart, when the plates diverge, okay, when they diverge, due to the high amount of pressure in the rocks, what happens is that volcano is formed, and it moves from the magma chamber through the secondary vent up to the way to the crater core. And when this happens, because the movement is very slow, guys, you will find that in some places you'll find tiny bits of pieces of rocks. And those pieces of rocks, we call them the intrusive rocks. Then, because other pieces the other pressure is still moving way too quick, and through the ash cloud, the lava forms, and as it hardens here, tiny rocks are formed. What do we call these rocks? Yes,
Exclusive rocks.
the exclusive rocks, which we can also call the igneous rocks, they form. Okay, because it has hardened through what? The lava that flew right out of the magma chamber. Then, because of the ash cloud, weathering takes place here. When weathering takes place here, there is soil erosion. What does soil erosion do? It breaks small particles of soil, and it forms what? Sedimentary rocks. From the sedimentary rocks, again, this structure still moves up again, the formation, right through the magma chamber again to form what? To form igneous rocks. So this is how the rocks are formed. Through what? the eruption of a volcano. When it hardens, it forms igneous rocks. And through the magma chamber, the ash cloud, when weathering takes place, it forms sedimentary rocks. Hope you liked the video.